What if mastering taxation was as simple as a single search? No more flipping through endless pages, no more second guessing, just instant answers at your fingertips. Sounds impossible? Think again. Introducing BEST, where taxation meets innovation. Behind this innovation is a passionate team from the Faculty of Accountancy, UiTM Cawangan, Kelantan. Together, we are on a mission to make taxation teaching and learning smarter and simpler. Albert Einstein once said, "The hardest thing in the world to understand is the income tax." If one of the greatest minds in history found taxation as complex, imagine how students feel today. In every taxation course, be it Tax 1, Tax 2, or Advanced Tax, students face one big challenge, which is to classify business expenses correctly. Take this one example. A director's salary is non-allowable. An employee's salary is allowable expense. But if the employee has disability, double deduction. One small detail can change everything, and the students are expected to memorize it all. With outdated learning methods, they waste time flipping through books and notes, scanning pages, and struggling to recall tax rule, only to get confused in the end. It is time-consuming, frustrating, and inefficient. Isn't it time for a smarter way to learn this? The answer is BEST, the Business Expenses Search Tool, a smart Excel-based tool that makes tax learning fast, easy, and effective. So, what does BEST aim to achieve? It makes tax computation faster and easier. It helps students focus on problem solving, not searching for answers. It reduces frustration and makes learning more engaging. Lastly, it bridges the gap between theory and the real-world tax application. Here is what makes it truly unique. BEST simplifies taxation with its quick search function, allowing instant classification of business expenses, enhanced by color-coded categories and built-in explanation for better understanding. Designed for both students and professionals, it stays updated with the tax law changes, features a user-friendly interface, and serves as a valuable quick reference tool for tax practitioners and business owners. With these 6 powerful features, BEST isn't just an educational tool, it is a taxation game changer. Let's see BEST in action. Imagine you have a list of business expenses to classify. Normally, you'd spend an hour flipping through books just to find the right answers. But let's try solving it the best way. Let's take one example of business expense, which is the salary paid to employees. Instead of manually searching for the answer, we'll just type salary into the BEST search box and instantly BEST provide classification for all expenses that contain the keyword salary. Pick the one that is relevant to the item given in the question and voila, you are good to go. No confusion, no wasted time, just instant answers, clear classifications, and built-in explanations. BEST isn't just about simplifying business expenses classification. First, time saved. A long question that took an hour to solve, now it just takes 15 minutes. More time for learning, less stress on memorization. Next, accuracy. BEST eliminate guesswork, helping students avoid misclassification and perform better in exams. And most importantly, less frustration, more engagement. Instead of struggling, students become active learners who ask more questions engage in discussion, and even request extra practice questions. With BEST, you get instant clarity, accurate answers, and a smarter way to learn. Whether you're a student striving for better performance or a lecturer looking for efficiency, BEST is your ultimate tax companion. And the best part? You can start using it right now. Just scan the QR code and experience taxation the way it should be. Simple, efficient, and stress-free. Why search the hard way when you can find the best way?